Welcome. In front of me is a Cubot P50, and today I will show you how we can go through the setup of this phone. So when you boot it up for the first time, you should be presented with a screen that you can see right from me over here. So get started, find your desired language. Now for me, it already selected a correct one. Then you can choose start. This will bring you to the next page where you can insert a SIM card if you want to. Obviously this is not an optional portion of it. You can also, on the next page I believe, connect to Wi-Fi network. Again, this is not a requirement. So if you want, you can skip both of them. Now the difference is if you skip both of them, you won't see the Google login page. If you choose one of them, either the Wi-Fi or mobile network, you will see a Google login page throughout the setup process, and additionally date and time will probably be set automatically. I'm gonna skip both of them, and obviously for me, because of that, I won't have my date and time automatically set, and additionally Google login page will not show up. And here we have some Google services like location scanning and sending user and diagnostic data. If you don't like some of them, you can turn them off. You can obviously read exactly what these are. From there, scroll down, select accept to go to the next page, which allows you to choose some kind of screen lock. By default, it opts into a 4-digit PIN, but I can select screen lock options to choose either pattern or password as well. Or obviously you can skip it if you don't want to choose anything. And as you can see, this finishes up the setup, giving you access to your home screen. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.